to that mountainside where those tall pine trees seem to touch the sky, where the morning sun shines in the sky on those crystal streams that sparkle by.
Well, today is Vegetarian Day. That's why the baby and I are eating peanut butter. I want to make sure she gets her protein. Now, I'm not one of these people that goes around making fun of vegetarians. I actually have a lot of respect for them. It's not natural. Man's been a meat eater for tens of thousands of years, if not longer, but I do respect their convictions. What I don't respect are these people that throw stones at me for killing animals, and then they turn right around on Friday night and go out to the steakhouse. But today is Vegetarian Day. And this right here is one of many reasons why I cannot keep a woman. I do eat after my dogs. Being that it's Vegetarian Day today, we're going to feature my most favorite vegetarian in the whole wide world, who happens to be my daughter, Laura Marie, also known as Little Buddy. And when she finds out that I'm featuring her in a show, she is definitely going to kill me. But regardless, last summer we did an overnight bike trip on the Greenbrier River Trail. This trail is really cool. It's like 75 miles long. It starts in the north at the scenic Cass Railroad, follows the Greenbrier River all the way down to Lewisburg, West Virginia. Now, this was supposed to be a fun and an easy trip, but it was 2 months after the great floods here in the state of West Virginia. And as a result of that, the lower portion of the trail had been washed out, but we didn't know it. We encountered a huge obstacle right off the bat. There was this landslide that went up the mountain as far as the eye could see. Came down across the trail and almost went to the water's edge. So we began with this huge obstacle, and from there, things only got rougher. But while you're enjoying our hardship on the Greenbrier River Trail, the baby and I will just eat a little bit more peanut butter and catch back with you here in a minute. Okay, Riley, I hope you're ready for the trail tomorrow.
Riley, Daddy talking to you. Show Daddy your face. I'm not Mommy. Mommy wants you to pose for the camera.
It's not quite 10 o'clock yet. Let's go with it. She'll bite you on the face. Oh, yeah. The baby was missing her mommy. The little minnow is swimming. They're both swimming.
Definitely slipped on some mud, but
We busted our arses.
yeah.
I think we can get back up the trail up through there. We'll crawl up through there. We'll go back and get the bikes, and hopefully we won't have any more of this.
All right, catch me if I fall. All right, just grab my hand. I'm gonna push up it more. Okay, there. Oh, good job, Dad. Thank you.
Oh, we made it. Well, one thing's for sure. There's no going back now. Is the baby here?
Nope. Oh, your baby made it. Come
So baby, make good job, Josie.
Good girl.
Okay. Okay, you wait here with the kids, and I'll go back and get the bikes.
No, we're doing it together.
Okay. Whoa. We carried the bikes over here, and we went back up the bikes. Get around that landslide. We had to go down a steep bank. We had to cross a fallen tree. We had to crawl up this hillside right here. And I'm out of breath. But I got a feeling we're going to be all alone from here on out, because I don't see anybody else coming through that death trap right there from the flood. But it's a great day to be alive, and we're going to be taking a swim here in a little bit, so get back with you later. Okay, we stopped because the baby got her feet muddy back there, and she's tired. This way I can put her back in the basket. This water right here, I would not hesitate to drink this water. We don't need water yet. It's coming down rock here. It's really cool. You guys, I want to hog up all the space. Save some room for me. Got a little bit in my ear. There we go. That felt good. I always do 4 dips for strength, wisdom, peace, and courage. But above all else, peace. Let's hit the trail. Great day to be alive.
That a tree down, I guess, Dad.
Okay, keep your back low. Why don't you wait for me and I'll help you. Just let a brother help you out. You got it?
Yeah.
A good place to take a break, don't you think?
Yeah. Feels nice.
Can you do something about that hair? We're on TV.
Quit filming me. Oh, that feels good.
Baby had to get some more mud off her paws. Whew. Another great place to take a break. A good camping spot up there, but I'd like to go a couple more miles before we set up camp today. Got some storm clouds rolling in, so we'll have to keep an eye on that too, but whew, my butt needed a break. Here, Josie, stay here. Can we make it through? Okay, it's starting to rain. We got another tough crossing here. Got a good place to get water though, so we're going to take advantage of it. That's good. Good camera.
Yes, it's your fault. Your idea, your fault.
It's always the man's fault.
Thanks, Daddy.
Well, we haven't come very far since the last crossing, and now we've got another one. I plan a lot of trips that I know are going to be hard. But every now and then, I'll plan a trip that's supposed to be easy, and this is one of them. For whatever reason, the easy trips never work out for me. This is quite an adventure. Okay, little buddy, let's put that camera up and figure out how to get around here. We're well over halfway. It's 14 miles up that way where we started in, and then down here, the end of where we're going, we have another vehicle park. We're over halfway, and we're exhausted. One good thing about this trail, there are mile markers all along. So we know we've come almost 9 miles, so we're going to start looking for a good camp spot. We've gotten away from the river right now. So if we can find a drinkable stream coming into the river, we're going to stop and set up a campsite and relax. But whew, man, we are exhausted. Josie, you made a bed. You made a bed, Josie. You made a bed. Who made a bed, Josie? You're tired. Don't worry, Josie. We're almost finished for the day.
Are you tired? Hey.
What do you think?
I think this is going to work out, Dad.
I think the kids are ready to stop for the day.
Yeah, me too.
Didn't have too much trouble getting the fire going here. Things dried out. Of course, we got the wood, dead wood up off the ground. Started with really fine stuff, and we'll build up to it. And we'll have supper going here in about 15 minutes, I'd say. Okay. We got a nice bed of coals here. It's better to cook off of coals when you can wait. We've got our clothesline going up here. I got my fishing lure caught on a rock, and I didn't want to get my boots totally soaked, so little buddy sucked it up and went in her sneakers. And no, you went in barefooted, didn't you?
Yeah, I was barefoot.
And I really appreciate that. And she got her pants all wet, so we've got them drying out now. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some water going here for instant potatoes. I haven't much luck with that. Okay. I'm going to take and just put a little bit of water over this corn on the cob. I'm going to put it down there and cover it up with some ashes. And it doesn't take long to cook corn anyway. Just kind of steam it in the shucks there. And I think that's going to be really good. Oh, yes I do. So, in about 10 minutes, we'll be having a feast fit for a king, and then we'll build the fire back up, and we'll just sit around and enjoy it for a while. We've encountered a lot of mosquitoes today, but this evening they've kind of gone away, and the smoke always helps with that. So We'll catch back with you a little bit later.
I love you all.
I love you too, Daddy. Thanks for a good day, Daddy.
Hey, watch the baby. She's getting kind of close to the fire.
Baby's trying to warm her buns up.
You're welcome and thank you. It was a rough day.
It made a good memory, though.
Yeah, tomorrow will be an easier day.
It's a classic dad excursion. Everything went wrong, but everything was still good.
That'd be me. Love you.
Love you too, Daddy.
We slept pretty good last night. Had a few mosquitoes buzzing us, but fortunately the Zika virus has not broke out and crossed the whole country yet. We were really tired, so this was a really easy way to set up camp. Got this big chart, laid it out, threw our sleeping bags in there, made a couple of makeshift pillows, and we slept looking up at the sky through the leaves, and that's always really a great feeling. We got this big tarp, so we had this back here in case it started raining in the middle of the night. We could have just pulled this over our heads and suffocated. Cool, it's the only spider I'm actually not afraid of. They got like a little shell. You can actually pinch onto them and hold them. There's a lot of them in the woods. And yeah. Whoa! There he goes. There he goes. Have a good day, my friend. Have a good day. I was too tired to wash dishes yesterday, so I set them in this little puddle of water here so that the bears wouldn't come in looking for something to eat. Normally I'll take gravel to clean my pans out with. We got some sand right here, and that'll work just fine. Put a little bit of water in there, put that sand in there, swish it around. Gravel or sand. Oh yeah. Whew. Yeah, I never take a scrub pan with me in the woods. We're gonna pack up and head on into town and get us motel room tonight, but don't tell anybody.
Survived our trip, Dad.
Not quite yet. Do a little dance. Take a little love. Get down tonight.
All right, that's enough.
Hey, I see you're still with us. I really appreciate that. Before television was invented, people got their entertainment by listening to the radio. Before radio was invented, they got their entertainment by reading short stories written by Jack London. Now, I hope this video does not discourage you from enjoying the Greenbrier River Trail. We were on the lowest section. The middle and upper sections were relatively unharmed by the flood. It's a great trail to hike, to bike, and you can float the river. It's canoe safe for the most part. Not all of it, but most of it is canoe friendly. And if you like to fish, there are a lot of smallmouth bass in that stream. Now, what we're going to do in closing today is share with you a video of my daughter with some of the rescue dogs we have here at the farm. thanks for joining us. I look forward to seeing you next time and sharing another adventure with you.
Down by the river that leads to the sea, there's a lady, she's staring up at me. Take you right under the fade that you're blunder. Heed what I say, boy, for it could be today. And you cry like a baby in the night. And you cry like a baby in the night. Got lost down on Myrtle Road, shot a flare up in the sky. No one came, cause no one cared. Did you leave me there? Did you hope I'd die? I died. I died. I died.